Hey everyone, good morning. Mrs. Elm here to tell you your Thursday activities. So I'm going to go to the lesson plans. Today is Thursday. So for writing, you're going to watch my writing lesson on editing. And you guys are going to edit what you've written so far. And then you can keep writing. And I have a chart for you here for you to edit with. For math, you are going to click Foursquare vocabulary, and you can just draw this if you want, or you can print it. And you're going to do this for a quarter. You're going to write the definition. What is a quarter? What is it worth? In your own words. So you could look up on the internet a definition or get your dictionary out. Then what you think it means, draw a picture, and then use the word quarter in a sentence. Then you're going to do it again with the other coins, a dime, a nickel, and a penny. Then in math, you have one more thing to do in math. After completing the Foursquare vocabulary, create 3 word problems using coins. For example, Mark has 2 nickels, 4 dimes, 6 pennies, and 1 quarter. How much does he have in all? And then make sure you answer your word problems. For science, you're going to go outside and you're going to draw 5 plants that you see around your house or your neighborhood. And then for each plant, you're going to answer these questions. Which plant is the tallest? Which plant was the shortest? And which of those plants you drew has the strongest roots? And how did you know that? So that's something a little fun. You guys can get outside and... Can you stop that for a minute, please? That's something you guys can do to get outside and today. All right, that's all for today. We have 1 graded paper that's for tomorrow's math, but nothing else is for a grade this week. Please make sure you've sent me your table of contents from last week. And that's all for today. I hope you guys have a nice Thursday. No rain today. Maybe you guys can get outside a little bit and look for some plants. See you tomorrow morning.